Welcome to this very quick recording for a unboxing, if you like, of what I believe to be a Sony Ericsson W850i, which I purchased from eBay for a total of £3.15. Now, I knew it didn't come with a back or a battery, but as you would expect, I have both of them. I believe this is locked to Vodafone, so I'll just pop a Vodafone SIM card in there. A pre-charged BST battery and a back. I already had a W850i, it didn't work. However, there's your reason for not throwing anything out, because you'll probably need it the moment you do. So actually that doesn't look too bad, does it? I mean, if it was all white it would be lovely, but that looks even more retro on the retro W850. And yes, there's the power button. Let's get that on. All looking good so far. Let's start the normal mode. So yes, very, very nice. All the data and power connectors look very clean. A bit of ink, I think. We'll get that bit cleaned up, I think. But yes, very nice. Menu seems to work. And it looks like it's on the Walkman theme, perhaps. Anyway, yes. So Sony Ericsson W850i, released 2006, £3.15, no battery, no back, patched together, looking pretty good. So let's have a look and see what the games and the startup shutdown, and let's do a review of it. So thanks very much.